What's going on, guys? 2018 Nissan Murano. Gonna show you how you can change the cabin air filter. 2018 Nissan Murano. Alright guys, so if you look in your maintenance schedule there and on page 9 of 10, you will see right there in-cabin micro filter, and the abbreviation is an R, and that tells us that every 24,000 or 15,000 miles we need to replace this. So 24,000 Ks or 15,000 miles. We're at 37,000 Ks right now, so we're well above the interval for the change. So we'll see what condition it's in at this time. Secondly, do yourself a favor, get this part from the dealer. The reason I say this is because it's not that expensive. It's approximately $30. That's the part number there. It is also made in the USA, and also it is much better quality than the aftermarket stuff. It even has carbon woven in, so this will definitely keep the air inside your cabin a lot cleaner. All right guys, so you want to be on the passenger side here, and you want to look towards the kick panel here. It's very tight. I'm gonna try to film this and change it at the same time. So right underneath the glove box towards the center console, you will find this tab right here. You want to push up to unlock it, pull it towards you, and then you want to pull down to release it, just like that. And then you'll remove the cover for it, and as you can see at the top there, that's how it's hooked in. Okay, once you do that, put that aside. We're gonna go back in here and we're gonna find the filter. It should be right in this box. So I'm gonna put the camera, actually let's see if we can pull this out. Oh, hang on one second. All right guys, so there's the filter there. What I want to show you is, what you want to do is push up like that to get it out of the bottom here. Once you pulled it forward slightly, then you want to pull down so that the top is released. And then this is how you can wiggle this thing out. Looks like the box is smaller than the filter, so that's why it's a tight squeeze in there. But eventually you'll get it out like that. So this is the front of the filter, and this is the back. As you can see, it's pretty blocked up in there. And if you have a small vacuum, you want to go ahead and insert it in there and try to get as much of these leaves out. Okay, and just to show you, this is the direction of the airflow. Should be towards you when you go to put it back in. Alright guys, so here's the new filter, and remember, you want the airflow to be towards you, so we're going to be putting it up like that. Now again, the box seems like, or the housing seems like it's a little bit smaller than the actual filter itself. Okay, so it's going to be somewhat of a tight spot here, so we're going to try to see if we can get it in here with one hand. All right, so we got a light up in here now. So let's see if we can do this one-handed. Again, this is very limited space. And try to get the bottom in first. There we go. And then slowly start pushing this back. Okay guys, so I was trying to film this and do it at the same time, but once you get under here yourself, you'll see the limited space that we got, and it would have been impossible to film it and try to put the cabin filter into place. But what I'll do is I'll just give you pointers. You want to slide the top in first and then pinch the bottom, and then push it inwards, and once you do that, it'll start going right into where it's supposed to. But as you can see, there is very limited space under here. Okay, but you'll be able to do it. It's not that difficult. All right, so that's how you change your cabin filter. Once again, I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if it was, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.